The device is used for freezing human oocytes and embryos. It makes the freezing process gentle and safe, reducing the damage caused by in vitro operation. The devices are composed of a freezing carrier load and a freezing dish. Firstly, we add 4 carrier protectants with increasing concentration to the 4 wells of the freezing dish. The main components are ethylene glycol and dimethyl sulfoxide. The concentrations are 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20% respectively. Then, we take out of the petri dish containing the embryo. Under the microscope, the embryo is composed of 8 blastomeres. Next, we use a thin glass tube to suck the embryo and transfer it to the left side of the first well of the freezing dish. Pull up the first baffle and count for 3 minutes. During this time, the embryo will roll to the right and gradually shrink. When the embryo moves to the bottom right side of the well, use a thin glass tube to transfer the embryo to the left side of the second well. Open the second baffle and count for 3 minutes. As the baffle is opened, a continuous concentration gradient from left to right is formed, and the embryo shrinks slowly. After 3 minutes, transfer the embryo from the bottom of the right side of the second well to the left side of the third well. Open the third baffle and count for 3 minutes. During this time, the embryo first shrinks and then expands, completing the replacement of intracellular and extracellular fluid. Finally, transfer the embryo to the fourth well and time for 1 minute. Under the action of sucrose, the embryo shrinks again. Then, transfer the embryo to the freezing load. Control the volume of the liquid surrounding the embryo to be less than 1 microliter and put it into the liquid nitrogen within 1 minute to complete the freezing process.